how to replace the handbrake. So first of all, you find yourself some very nice background music. Then you get some dishwashing detergent and a little syringe. You see, and you take the little syringe and then you put some in there. Okay, and then you just like um, put pressure on it, and then you slide it off, and voila. Okay, so you have that right there. Then you take the new brake part. Okay, and here it is. And so you find the proper way to install it, and then you slide it back in. If it gets too hard, then you put more dishwashing soap in the syringe and you slide it. Okay, and that's basically what you're doing right now. Just a few drops. You don't need to do the whole thing. Okay, let me see, let me stop here for a second.